Hi, good afternoon there, folks. This is William Drosky coming out to you in the beachside community of New Baltimore, a nice small town in southeastern Michigan. And I just want to talk to you about, on the wholesaling. Since there are a lot of people that do wholesaling and just looking for probably kind of 3 or 4 tips that ends up kind of holding them back. Number one is they end up getting in some kind of, even though they read books, about wholesalings, how to wholesale houses with real estate, deal with contractors. As they end up getting in this mentality of research paralysis, which it's just like they're just ongoing, getting training, reading books, and never getting out of making a deal. But as real estate investor extraordinaire Dylan Tanaka says, at some time you're gonna have to make it happen, just get the deal done. And the second thing is the second kind of fear that's is fear, where they end up having a hard time getting out of their comfort zone, where they're afraid to call, they're afraid to talk to people. But there are books out there, and that deal with helping people get motivated, such as Right Now Success with Scott Alexander, and another one is The Procrastination Equation by Pierce Steele. The thing is, just get out, attend real estate events, start gathering your buyers list, and as you can end up just you want to partner with other people, network with them, but before partnering with them, you want to vet them. As the saying goes, trust but verify. I think Ronald Reagan stated that. But all in all, it's don't be afraid to go to real estate meetup groups. There's a ton in your local areas across all the United States. There's other tips, secrets, information, and other mentors you can actually find that are actually for free. There are actually people mentoring for free out there. They don't charge the mentor people, and all you have to do is go out and find them, ask, talk to them, people that are at these meetup events. So the kind of two party seminars that I recommend on real estate investing is Than Merril. You can probably learn a lot of stuff. Teach you how to structure deals, learn how to form a corporation, and the other one's Lee Arnold. It actually probably pretty much learn similar things. Plus, you can also form partner deals with either wholesale or private money lending. That's another thing that holds them back. There's which they end up getting this idea where, I don't have any money because it costs money to invest in real estate. To put the deal together, to have it go down, make a contract, to close the deal with either the title company, and you can turn around and sell the contract to other investors. But you want to have some skin in the game. So I deal with private money scouting here with Lee Arnold with Kogo Capital. I'm also deal with credit repair, credit education with FBS. I do with a couple other services, Ameriplan, which it's on my website, dumbexperts.com. There's if you wish to feel free to contact me. If you like what I do, share the video and hit the little button and subscribe, because I do come up with regular updates and other tips I come across. So I wish you well. Which I'll probably show you the lake that around, which I do a little panoramic deal. And then there's actually a beach right side there, and close by the waterfront. It's a nice little town. It's they got a little beach side, which did took a little videos a couple years ago during the fall time, and they had little ducks swimming in the water. So William Drosky here is signing off. Wish you happy success trails to the next video I'll be coming up with. Talk to you later.